In this video, I will show you how to view your Safari browsing history on your iPhone step by step. If you have ever visited a website and later forgot its name, this feature helps you quickly find it again. By the end of this video, you will know multiple ways to access, search, and manage your Safari history on your iPhone. Let's start with the main method. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Safari app. Once Safari opens, look at the bottom menu bar. Here you will see a book icon. Tap on this book icon to open your bookmarks and history section. Now at the top, you will see different tabs. Make sure you tap on the History tab, which looks like a clock icon. As soon as you tap on it, your browsing history will appear on the screen. You will notice that your history is organized by date. It usually shows sections like today, yesterday, and earlier dates. This makes it easier to scroll and locate a website based on when you visited it. You can now scroll through the list slowly and find the website you are looking for. Once you find it, simply tap on that website and it will open instantly in Safari. If you are finding this helpful so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel DelphStack for more simple and detailed iPhone tutorials like this. Now let me show you how to search within your history, which is very useful if you have a long browsing list. Stay on the history screen and scroll all the way to the top. You will see a search bar. Tap on it and type any keyword, website name, or part of the URL. As you type, Safari will filter your history and show only the matching results. This makes it much faster to find a specific website without scrolling through the entire list. Another helpful tip is related to tabs. If you have multiple tabs open, tap the tabs icon at the bottom right corner. From here, you can manage your open tabs, but to view full browsing history, you still need to go back to the book icon and then the History tab. This is a simple but very useful feature that helps you keep track of your browsing activity and quickly return to important websites. If this video helped you, do not forget to subscribe to the channel DelphStack for more helpful and easy-to-follow tech tutorials.